Heating at the sixth spot is affordable rice. Customers flock to the Katiwa stores to buy rice for only 29 pesos per kilo. This is significantly cheaper compared to the rice being sold at markets for 45 to 55 pesos per kilo. However, nasamahang industriya ng agrikultura warned that this offer might not last.
Saan natin kukunin yung pondo to subsidize yung bigas? Kasi kung DA ang nagpapatakbo niyan, hopefully hindi niya kinukuha sa budget allotted na sa agri-department, ano, or lalo na kung budgeted na siya sa mga local producers natin. Kung ibebenta ba ng 29, ang tinatanong natin kasi, saan magagaling yung subsidy mo na 21, ano? Kasi from 50, gagawin mo 29, so may 21 pesos na sinasubsidize ang government. Ang tanong lang naman natin, okay, ano? Lahat tayo gusto mura bigas.
Meanwhile, the Agriculture Department raised alarms over the overpricing of pork products in the market. Based on their latest monitoring, the retail price of pork has reached 420 pesos per kilo. DA said they should conduct inspections to identify the traders involved in overpricing. They also assured the public that there is enough supply of pork, despite the threat of African swine fever in some parts of the country.
Kumbaga, ibabalik nila kasi sa NFA yung kanilang dating strategy, which is yung buy high and sell low.
Yeah.
'Di ba? Kasi ang nangyayari, actually yung mga farmers, if you've seen several reports this past few weeks, sinabi nila medyo mas okay sa kanila nga yung ganun. Kasi 'di ba, nagkakaroon sila ng patas na laban when it comes to selling their harvest.
Yeah.
Dahil nga natigil yun during the rice tariffication law. But actually, inaabangan nga nila ma-amend yung rice tariffication law dahil para magawa nila itong buy high and sell low strategy nila.
Pero we also have to take a look yung problem natin with import versus export.
Yes.
Because ang surplus is doon tayo nagkakatalo I think for exports, we have something like 5 billion in income. Tapos sa imports, we're spending around 11 billion. So meron tayong negative 6 billion. That means hindi maganda ang balance natin.
At the end of the day, ang farmers natin ang affected.
Yes, and overall natin yung supply ng production. Our production will weaken, although may income tayo dito based sa mga tariff na napupunta sa farmers, but hindi lahat naman ng industry sa food natin and manufacturing ang nabibiyayaan ng mga subsidy. Mostly yung mga rice farmers lang. Pero yung mga ibang production outlets natin that mga pork, chicken, canning, di ba, nahihirapan sila.
Tapos ang sinasabi kasi nila, dapat daw, yun nga, mag-invest sa Agriculture Department ng infrastructure.
May sabi naman ni Senator Villar, meron na
They will. Tsaka dapat dagdagan
and
nila
mechanized na mechanized na tayo.
Mechanized, they should invest more on dryers.
Yes.
At saka yung mga, yung ang tawag doon, silos o silos yung...
Silos.
Yung mga pang-store.
Rice silos.
Ng rice,
O meron na nga tayong drone na mga nagkakalat ng bigas. Di ba? Palay. May drone na tayo.